Do you want to create amazing images and videos using AI? In this video, I will show you how to use Meta AI to generate creative images and videos instantly, so you can bring your ideas to life with just a few prompts. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Meta AI app here. Then in this page, as you see, you will find this first page. You can go to this window and you will find here create an image. You can create your image here, and after that you can ask the Meta AI to create an image for you. For example, I already asked him for an image of a young teacher, so here you can find the images that it gives me like this. And also you can also ask for videos. As you see here, I already asked for create a video for a young girl teacher teaching Chinese language, so you can find videos here also. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.